Hi, in this video we're going to have a look at how you can transfer your Twitter content into an Evernote notebook. The reason why this is useful for me is as a maths teacher I'm on Twitter all the time and I'm finding resources and ideas constantly that I want to try and keep in a neat, organized way, and Evernote allows me to do this. So I'm going to start by opening up my Twitter account. So this is my Twitter feed here, and I'm going to find a resource that I want to save. So a good place to look for resources is TES Maths. So I'm going to click on TES Maths and see if I can find something here. And straight away we've got a complete lesson on transformation of graphs. So that's something that takes my fancy. So I'm going to first of all click on the tweet. Now there's two ways of capturing the information here. The first way is to actually capture a tweet. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on these three dots in the bottom right hand corner. That's going to bring up this menu here, and I'm going to go to share via, and I can share this via lots of different ways. So I've got Pocket, Evernote and Pinterest, which will probably be the three main things I would use, but I mainly use Evernote. So I'm going to click on that in a second. Just a note, if you haven't got the icon that you want, if you click on more, you should be able to select which bits you want here. So as long as you've got Evernote installed onto your iOS device, then you should be able to find it in this menu over here. So if I now click on Evernote, and remember I'm capturing the tweet here, so the tweet should appear, and as if by magic it's there. If I wanted to, I can add a note underneath there, and I'm going to save this. It's already set on algebra, so I can save it in any of my notebooks, but algebra is the one that I want. If I now click on save, that should now transfer it into my Evernote account, and we're just going to pop over there and just make sure that it has appeared there. So click on Evernote, and as you can see, there you go, it's appeared there. If I now click on that, what I should see is the tweet. So I've clicked on that now, and this is the tweet over here that I've now transferred into my Evernote account. And you can see at the top there it says algebra, so it has actually gone into my algebra account that we can see over here. Right, okay, so coming back out of this again now, and I'm going to go back to Twitter, and this time rather than capturing the tweet itself, I'm going to capture the link. So to do that, if I hold down on the link, the bit.ly link there, so I've just long pressed on that, and again I've got my menu over here, so I'm going to click on Evernote again, and just give it a few seconds, and what it will do this time is that it will actually capture the link to that website itself. So when I view this in Evernote, I will directly go to the actual link to that page. So I'm going to click on save over here, and again we'll pop over to the Evernote account, and you can see that it's appeared there straight away. Click on that, at the top we can see it's in our algebra again, and as you can see, this has now saved the web page into my notebook, into my algebra notebook. So this for me is a really fantastic way of just staying on top of all of those nice ideas that you find on Twitter. You can do a similar thing for images as well. If it's not Evernote that you use, if it's a different notebook idea that you're using, things like Pinterest, I know some people use that, or Pocket, you can do a similar thing with that. For me, Evernote works really well, so that's the one that I use. And thanks for joining me. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.